Hello guys, welcome back. We learned how to work with our network architecture. Now let's see how we can predict the data. As you can see, we have a scalar.fit transform data frame, and then we have to a scalar.fit transform outputs. Why? We need to transform the test data, also scale them for our learning, and then we need to inverse transform the reshaped data and see what happened. Okay, let's run B, our test data, and let's see what is the difference from our test data and our final data. It's the end of this program. You need to learn how to inverse transform your scalar. It's an important thing to use. But I think we learn everything and know a little about neural network. The thing is important we are going to learn next is to go to our lesson on the thing that is the most important. We are going to use the Colab and use the TensorFlow from the next lesson on. This is the best thing we can do without TensorFlow, and then we are going to use TensorFlow for creating something amazing with the biggest database we can, and also make some models that can create something too. Okay, have a good time and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the end of this project. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. I will answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.